Hello all. So today we have come up with another topic, that is what is leading and lagging matrices. And based on my experience, what are the matrices I have used in my organization, and which one was like between leading and lagging matrix, which one was more beneficial. Okay, so let's start. So first, what is leading matrix? So leading matrices are kind of your, you can say, the indicators that help predict a future outcome, and it also provide you kind of an early insight into the project performance, so that you can be proactive, and it can also influence your future decision, right? So if I can think of the leading matrices which I have used mostly with in my team, is one I can think of velocity matrix. So we all know that velocity is measure of how much work a team can complete in a single sprint. So with this velocity, like tracking the velocity matrix, it helped my team to track that or to predict that how much work my team can realistically accomplish in future iteration. So it helps my team to have come up with better planning and give a better data to my stakeholders. Now next come, if I can think of the next one, is I will say the leading matrix, sorry, the lead time matrix. So, what is the lead time matrix? We all know that from the time your user story was initiated, uh, till the time it is delivered or it is accepted by your product owner. So, monitoring the lead time, I have seen that it helps my team to identify the bottleneck in very advanced stage. Like I have seen, like from the trend of this lead time matrix, whether it is increasing or it is dropping, you can predict the bottleneck very easily, right? So I can think of one example here where my team's leading time were keep on increasing, and when we deep dive into it, and we found the root cause was like we were not refining or slicing the user stories effectively. So that affecting our lead time. So we were able to work on it or improve it or correct our actions before it get escalated. Now next I can think of one is sprint commitment accuracy. So this matrix gives you an idea that how much user story you have committed during your planning and how much you are actually delivered after the sprint, like end of the sprint, right? So tracking this commitment accuracy over the time, it helps my team to refine their estimation skills and make more realistic commitment in future sprint, and it led to a better delivery, I would say. So this is all about leading matrix. Now coming to lagging matrix. So lagging matrix is just opposite to the leading matrix. So lagging matrix, you can say that it is kind of a mm, indicator or retrospective indicator, which shows you the historical data or the historical result which has been already done. So leading matrix give you the insight of your future upcoming or the future iteration, but lagging metrics give you the data for your past iteration which you have already done, right? So if I think of any kind of lagging matrix, one I would like to say that defect density matrix, because this matrix measure the number of defect you have raised during you delivered or before you deliver it to the production, and the number of defects it's raised during the like after the production delivery. So it gives you, tracking this will give you or your team to identify the kind of an insight that how your application stability is, and based on this you can take a few, like an action item, right? From the past data you can take action for your future, or retrospect to the past data you can take the action on the future. Next one I would like to say, customer satisfaction. I have seen that if you measure, or if you try to understand customer satisfaction, that how much satisfied your um, customer is for the product which you have already delivered. You can have your survey with the customer to get those data, and based on the uh, data you got from the customer, you can easily point out that what are the areas or the concerns of the customer at the present level from the past performance of your application, so that you can improve those data from the, or those feedback point from the next time onwards, right? Next I would like to say that time to matrix. So, sorry, time to market. So, time to market is kind of a matrix that give you an insight that in previous cases, how much time you have taken to deliver your new feature or the updates from your application to the customer. A longer time to the market might indicate that there is some gap or bottleneck in your process which you are already following, and maybe you need to take care of it. So I have seen that tracking this matrix helped my team to streamline their process and deliver more value quickly. Okay, so now coming to the point that which matrix is better, whether the leading matrix or the lagging matrix. So by now we understood that both the type of matrix are essential in agile environment. So lagging matrix can offer you historical data that assist you sometimes to predict the leading matrices, right? Leading, for to get the leading matrices, I have seen that you might give the input from your lagging matrices, and you can predict your future, like the areas where you can improve in the future cases. So you cannot say like neither your leading or the lagging matrices are inherently better than each other. Only you need to understand that at what point of time which one need to be used, right? So this helps your team to handle what is happening now and what can come up, and by all your lesson learned that you have already done in your past. So this way I have seen that project can do better and will keep getting better over the time, which is most important, right? So this is all about leading and lagging metrics, and if it was helpful for you, so please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.